Somewhere out there is a worse version of your business. Same product, same price. And it's beating you, not because they built better, because they post, and you don't. That's it. That's the whole gap. Visibility beats quality almost every time, and it's the least fair rule in business. Fixing it costs you an agency retainer, a salary, or your weekends. Pick one. Or there's this, Fetra AI, a marketing growth platform that takes what's already going viral and rebuilds it around your product. They're all for a SaaS product called Brevio, and every single one was made inside Fetra in a browser tab. No camera, no editor, no template. And Brevio isn't a demo account with a placeholder name. It's a real product I built for this test, and you'll watch every feature run on it, start to finish. One of those features even gives the brand a face. We'll get to it. Full workflow. One real brand. Nothing skipped. It starts where every new user starts. Setup. You paste in your website URL, and Fetra reads your site to pull out your brand. What you sell, who you sell to, your tone, your visual style. So here's Brevio properly. It's a SaaS tool that turns long meeting recordings into short, shareable summaries. Freelancers and small teams. I paste the URL, and Fetra comes back with the positioning, the tone, the colors, all of it. That's your business DNA. Every video, every post, everything after this is built on it. No website yet? Type your details in manually, under 2 minutes either way. Now that Fetra knows Brevio's business DNA, here's where it earns its name. This is Blitz. It studies what's already going viral, then rebuilds those proven formats around your product. And it doesn't hand you one video, it hands you a stack. You swipe through them like a dating app. X to kill it, check to keep it. Open Blitz Configure and you can steer the engine itself. How often your brand gets mentioned, whether it uses influencer footage, which content types you want. Because the gap between generic AI content and content that converts is control. There's one more way in. Hit templates in the top right. I'll pick a template I like, and since this one's a video format, I'll upload my Brevio demo video straight into it. Proven structure, my product inside it, no blank page to stare at. So that's Blitz building from scratch. But what if you already have a specific viral video in your head? That's the next feature, and it's my favorite. It's called Viral Remix. You upload the clip you want to recreate, 6 to 15 seconds MP4, MOV, or WebM, plus one photo of your product. Fetra breaks down why it worked: the hook, the pacing. The beats then rebuilds that structure with your product inside it. You can also add a prompt to describe the hook, the pacing, the camera, the message, whatever you need. That part's optional, but it's where you get control. Here's mine, and here's what came back. And if you don't have a clip in mind, open Viral Remix templates. Pick one, hit Remix, upload your product photo and a person photo if you want a face in it. But making content is only half the job. Posting it consistently is where most people quit, so let's fix that half. Drop in a social account link and start the Social Growth Manager. Marco, that's the agent running it, reads the account, builds a content strategy report, and writes a batch of posts in your brand voice. Then connect your channels: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Threads, Bluesky. It reshapes each post to fit the platform it's going to, which most schedulers still don't do. I'll pick a Brevio post and publish it from my test account. Now watch, I'm opening the platform itself. There it is. Live. And none of it gets lost. Everything lands in the library. Posts, content, and media in one place. The calendar lays out your whole month, so you can schedule ahead and spot the gaps before they happen. Which brings me to the feature I teased at the start. This is where Fetra stops being a content tool and becomes something else. AI influencers. You build a persona, face, style, vibe matched to your brand. Then that character makes your images and videos on demand. Same face every time, so it actually builds recognition. For a brand that can't afford a creator on retainer, this is the closest thing to having one. And one more thing worth a quick mention. Fetra AI also provides warmed social media account solutions to help users get started with content publishing more efficiently. Two more sides to this platform: SEO and GEO for organic search traffic, and a paid ad section that turns your winning content into ad creatives. Same business, different channels. So who is this for? If you're a solo founder, a small business owner, or an agency drowning in content, it's a genuinely strong fit. I'd use it for Brevio tomorrow. And there's a free plan with no card required. Links in the first line of the description. And use code GROW20 at checkout for 20% off monthly plans. Start free, run one blitz on your own brand, and see if the output actually sounds like you. That's the real test. If this saved you a weekend of testing, subscribe And if you're running this for clients, not just yourself, I made a whole video on how agencies are handling social in 2026. It's on screen now. See you there.